Okay guys, so this is the reading corner, comfy beanbag with 2 pillows, and then books, regular books, and then a bunch of chapter books. Then we have these and mosquitoes, and a glow up in the dark dragonfly that glows in the dark, all of them. And then we have our karate trophies, and then I have my little doll, a collector. Then I have my me and Gabby's 3 gymnastic trophies from both of us, and one dance trophy. We have on my side I have Rise and Let Your Creativity Shine, and then this Fedit thing. It's actually because the Fedit, we put an orange Fedit sheet for it looks nice. And then I have these on my bed and a little glove thing and stuff. Oops. I have my reborn and my little comfy pillow. Oh, and our mom painted and did these jewels and stuff. And then we have T for my name, and then and then G for my sister's name, and then we have our lamp. Okay, now we have this very, very nice chandelier that I had ever since I was a baby. Then we have our lava.
It plays Bluetooth music out of it too.
It plays Bluetooth. Then we put our cents or our money into this, or I need a vacation fund. These jewels that Gabby found, pictures, and me when I was little. And now let's see Gabby's time.
What's up, guys? Now my turn. So while we're over here, first we have my beautiful desk. I have my sewing machine. I have my crown, because you know I'm a princess. Or queen, baby. I'm a queen. Okay, and then I have my whole bunch of coloring stuff, because I like to color. And I have this positive thing on mine, and my books. Okay, over here I have my reborn stuff. I have a lot of them. I'm going to organize it maybe. Over here is my bed. I have my dolls and teddy bears that I love. My pictures that I made in my picture that my aunt made for me, and I think it's really nice. And I have my bed. And then I have this macaroon pillow, I call it. Okay. Over here, that's the dress that my grandma made for me. But you know, I kind of touched it up. I had designed this dress for my school dance. So yes. And my grandma had made it. That's where I keep my bags and my books and diaries. And then I like this message, if you guys can see that there. We have lots of positive messages in our room. It says, in a world where you can be anything, be yourself. And that could be the words of the day. If you could be anything in the world, be yourself. No matter what people say. So I have these pictures of me. I have this one, that one when I went to a party and a wedding. Then here I have my very sloppy drawer. You know, it's always a cork side of your room. Messy. And then it's my beautiful side. And then we have a picture collage of everybody in my family. And yeah, if you guys didn't see my Barbies, go check out. You should go in, put in the description the video of the Barbies that you see them in. And this is, we have these over here. The door says take one and new one. If you're having a stressful, there's these link things that you take one off. It used to be like almost like 25, Yeah. And that's just my closet in here that I'm not going to show you guys. This is a little sloppy. But you know, that's basically my room. And thank you guys for watching. This is a big thumbs up and subscribe down below.
Comment on videos you'd like to see and hit the bell for every single time we post another video.
Today's positive message is, wherever you are in the world, be yourself.
That is our positive message video.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Peace out.
Oh, Daddy said if you guys want to go bike riding and stuff, you have to clean